Hi guys, I wanted to show you these adorable herb crates that I got from Decor Steals. And they are one of my most favorite things to decorate in our kitchen because you can easily change them up. And right now I've got lemons going in the kitchen to brighten up this space. But what's great is they're super light, so I just have them up here with the command hooks, so I don't put holes in all my cabinets. But you can put, you know, ironstone, or if you have pretty dishes, and just have them supported a little bit better. But that's what I love the most about them, is that they're so light, you can put them wherever you want. You don't have to put holes in all your walls.
Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and share these nesting boxes with you. These are one of my favorite decor pieces to easily change up throughout each season. Right now I just have some greenery in them, but I've put plates and napkins and fruit and all kinds of things in here depending on what season it is. It's just an easy, quick update to the house. But these are available on Decor Steals. They're easy to hang up, easy to change out, and they're just one of my favorites.